Hey guys, welcome back to this week's episode of Raging Bullets and Beyond. And today we're in Carrollton, Georgia. We're heading over to our local gun range shot spot that's unfortunately shutting down in a couple of weeks. But before it shuts down, me and Chasen is going to settle a debate. Which is better, a Glock 42 chambered in 380 or a Taurus G3 chambered in 9mm? Which one has the better pull rate? Which one has the better fire rate? Which one has the better recoil weight? Which one has, just overall, which one is better? So follow along as we head over to shot spot and let's settle this debate. All right, today we're going to do a Glock 380 versus the Taurus G3 9mm. All right, this is the 380 ammo that we're using for today. For the ones that don't know, this is the size of a 9mm. This is a 380. You see, it's just a little bit smaller. Now this one holds, I believe, 6 rounds. We're going to start off with the 380 first. Alright, let's see how bad I did.
Not bad.
Not bad, not too bad.
Good.
Alright, now it's Chasen's turn. Now he has never shot a 380 or a Glock. So this is his first time. Now, how do you know there's 6 in there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There you go.
I want a 380.
You like that 380?
Yeah. I hit twice in one hole. I was aiming more to this side of that 0.
Well, you see where mine was like right here.
And I hit several times in one, a couple times in one hole. I was aiming this side of the 0.
All right, we're gonna go 10 yards out. All right, my turn, and we're going 10 yards out. And I'm gonna go for under the bullseye. I'm gonna hit the number 1, or try to at least. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if I hit number 1. Nope. A little low. Let's see. So I was aiming here. I don't know what happened here, but it looks like I'm shooting a little low, so I might have to set my sights just a little bit higher.
What happened here?
I don't want to talk about it. They don't like you. We're at 15 yards.
I'm gonna try going just below where you shot.
You gonna go below where I shot at?
Either where you shot or right to in that general area.
All right, this is Chasen's second go around. What happened right there?
Oh, it's mine. What happened down there?
See what happened was. All right, now I'm gonna try the one-handed shoot. As I said before, I am left-handed, so I'm gonna be shooting from the left hand.
Try both, right and left.
I don't know if I can do the right.
If you try right, I'll try left.
I'm just gonna do left hand because I can't do right hand.
It don't like you.
There it goes.
Took out his throat.
Not bad, because I was aiming right. I was aiming for it, so not bad. All right, since you done shot the Glock 380, how do you like it so far?
I'm gonna have to invest in me one.
You're gonna have to invest in one?
Oh yeah.
Do you prefer a Glock or a Taurus?
Glock.
Glock it is. I mean, Taurus is good for the price. They're good budget guns, but nothing can outbeat a Glock. Are you having problems there?
No, it's my full.
You're full?
Oh.
You do look loaded.
So do you.
Hey now.
When you do.
See, we can talk about that. One-handed. Like a number 7.
Alright, I'm about to start shooting.
All right.
Oh.
Was you aiming for middle?
I was putting my lower dash right here,
Oh,
so it's shooting low.
it's shooting way low.
I adjusted some stuff on it.
Right, well, we only got an hour. Now, do y'all get to shoot for free?
Can I just want to take a look at it if you don't mind. If you don't mind.
Yeah, go for it.
What is that?
That's nice, man.
Thank you.
Like, what's that?
This?
Yeah.
It's a Shadow Systems. It's like a Glock, but just a little better. All right, we're gonna go down to the very bottom, about number 3. We're gonna check it out, see how accurate I am. Yeah, I was kind of way off.
What, bud? Did you see this?
All right, let's go over 380. We're at 5 yards. And he wants to go for as close to the 0 as possible. Noise.
That one was definitely me.
I mean,
That one was me. I shot the same hole a couple more times.
all right, we're down to the last 2 on the 380 before we switch over to the 9mm. And I'm going for dead center. Since we shot out all the 380 on the Glock, we're going to switch over to the 9 and see how much of a difference 380 versus the 9 could be. Alright, Chasen's up first after the 380. He's going to tell me how big of a difference between a 9 and a 380 really is. How's the weight feel already?
Heavier.
Alright, could you tell a difference between the 9 and 380?
I hit bullseye.
Did you hit bullseye?
Yeah, where I was aiming. I think he's got another breathing hole.
He definitely has a a fatal wound.
What happened there?
See, I did one shot up here, but it looks like it shot right there. I wonder my sights are.
I ain't never messed with mine.
Where are you going for?
Dead center.
We're gonna tear that dead center up. Had some problems there?
A little bit.
Ow. Ow. Thank God for PPE. Ow, that hot.
You messed me up a couple times.
Dude, look at all that.
What is that?
Look at, you see all the burnt spots?
Yeah.
They kept ricocheting and hit me in the arm.
We should have been staying so close.
So you're still pulling to the left
That's
a lot.
old.
I was out there a while ago.
Maybe I need to scoop that way some more.
Yeah, because I could see it when you was doing it. You were shooting to the left a lot. Only one out of what? 100?
Yeah, something like that. When you were shooting, coming up, you pulled to the right.
Going to the right. All right, Chasen, this is what I want you to do. We got two number 3s that are shot. I want you to go for this one on the left side. I'm gonna go for the one on the right side. Chasen, me. Got it?
It was one shot.
So you're shooting. Was you aiming for this? So you're shooting. Alright, my go around. Let's see how close did I get to this. One.
Don't hit me.
Alright, he had the left side, I got the right side. Let me get the switch with it.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth. So I'm shooting low too.
I
1,
got
2, 3,
closer.
4, 5, 6.
I got closer,
So we're both shooting low.
but I got closer.
Still shooting low.
Leave in the comments who you think got closer.
Hey guys, thank you for watching our episode of Raging Bullets and Beyond, where we went to our local gun range shot spot to test out if there was a difference between a Glock 42 chambered in 380 versus a budget Taurus G3. Hey, do me a favor. Comment below, like our channel, subscribe to it for more content like this, and don't forget, we are going to try out different gun ranges here soon. You know, we got more content coming. So until next time, have a good day. Which one is better, a Glock 380 or a budget Taurus 9mm? This episode of Raging Bullets and Beyond. A budget Taurus G3 or G3C chambered in 9mm. So head up, where we went to Shot Spot to test out the difference between a 380 9mm and heading over to our local Shot Spot Beyond, as we went to Shot Spot to test out the difference, if there was a difference between the difference of the 380 shutting down on the 30th. I'm trying to do a video here. Anyway, hey guys, thank you for watching.